Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. So someone commented in one of my videos that I do not actually shop from the Temu app, and I'm here to prove the person or any other person that might even doubt this wrong, okay? I do shop from the Temu app. Ever since I downloaded the Temu app, I've been shopping from the app almost monthly. Yes, I'm not even capping. From my proof, you'd see that I'm telling the truth. So to find out if I'm telling the truth or not, let's just dive right into this video. I'll click on the use section and click on your orders. Now, under your orders, we have all orders, processing, shipped, delivered, and returns. I'll click on delivered, okay? The delivered section is going to show what items have actually been delivered to me, like items that I've gotten, all right? You can see that from here, my last delivered item from the Temu app was on the 14th of March 2026. Okay, now I'll just go right down to my first order and then I'll come back to talk about some of the orders. Now, before the March 14th, I had another one that was also delivered on the 14th of March. So I had two items delivered on that same day, and I had one delivered on the 21st of January 2026. So this year alone, I've ordered in January, I've ordered in March, two times. All right. Now let's go down to my first order on this app. When I downloaded this app, when I started using the app to place orders, right? You can see 2025 orders from 2025. I'll keep going down. Just scroll down and we'll start from the beginning where it all started. Honestly, shopping on the Temu app has been, a learning curve for me. Yes, it took me using this app, you know, religiously to find out a lot of things, and learn and unlearn things about this app. And that's why I created this platform to teach you all everything I know about this app so that you can save money while shopping on this app and do the right things, okay? Now, this is where my first order or when I made my first order of this app on the 4th of November 2023. Yes. So the first time I heard about him, or the first time the whole advert thing got to me, and I decided to try it out and just give it a try to see the quality of the items. Of course, I made mistakes in my first few orders, but like I said, it's been a learning curve, and I've learned better how to use this app to not have any regrets whatsoever whenever I am making an order. So my first order was on the 4th of November 2025, and it was 7 items. You can see here, I don't want to, expand it or open it up because it's going to show my delivery address and all that. I don't want to start blurring out things. So yeah. So it was 7 items and I spent €27 and 42 cents on those items. Okay, we can see that. After that, I had another one delivered on those 14th of December. That was next month. So a total of 13 items and I spent €38. So if I ordered the first month on the 4th of November and I had to order the next month, that means what I got the previous month were good enough for me and I went ahead to order again the next month. This is back in 2023. So yes, I've always used the Temu app. I do not come here to talk about the Temu app when I don't use it. It's not possible. How will I even talk about something that I don't use? Or even go as far as teaching about an app that I do not use religiously. It's not possible. For me to be able to come on here to teach you how to use the Temu app effectively, it means that I already know how to use this app. Like, even if I do not know how to use it to 100%, I mean, I do not have to get to 100% before I can teach. My 80% knowledge, 90% knowledge is more than enough for me to, teach others, transfer that knowledge to others. And yeah, so why not? The next one was on the 4th of May 2024. I have one on the 5th of May or the 5th of June 2024. And yes, on the 5th of June, I spent as high as €135 98 cents. Yes, that was a lot. That was around the time I was having my baby. So I had to buy a lot of baby items. That is the reason this amount is, quite high. Yes, I bought baby items. And if you go down here on my YouTube channel, you would see where I unboxed those items. You can check the video out. I'll also pin it in my comment section as well as my description box. You can check it out, okay? I had another one delivered on the 7th of June and I spent 63 euro on those items, 26 items. So as I'm scrolling, you can see June 27th. Yes, so I always use the Temu app, or rather July 25th. Yeah, June 27th, July 25th, 2024. So I had others in September 2024, 2nd of September, another in 27th of September of 2024. So I ordered twice in that month. Then in October, you can see of 2024, I had, you know, like 3 orders coming, being delivered. In November, I had orders. So this video is already too long and I don't want it to be this long. So yes, this is just to show a proof that I've always used the Temu app. So this is the delivered section. You can see, yes, I actually spent the money to buy all the items you can see here. I've always used the Temu app. My take on the Temu app is that you enjoy this app really, really well if only you know how to use it effectively. And that is what I teach here. So if you want to learn how to shop on the app without issues, without regrets, then please subscribe to this channel and always watch out for my Temu videos. You will definitely learn a thing from it. You will either learn how to get discounts on the app or how to effectively shop by reading reviews, knowing how to choose the right product. I teach all that and more on this YouTube channel. So stay tuned. I hope you've gotten some kind of value from this video, and I hope this video has convinced you that yes, I actually do shop on the Temu app. If you watched to this point, thank you so much. And if you're interested in videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.